Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can blur your background in Google Meet for privacy or focus. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course join a meeting if you haven't yet, and just wait for the meeting to load until and now that you're here, what you will have to do is go over to the more options section. So just go ahead and click that. And what you will have to do is you will click background and effects and wait for it to load as well. So once you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to select blur background, which is right here, or slightly blur your background or blur your background. But if you want to just slightly blur it, then you can just choose this one, the first one. But if you totally want to blur your background, then you will just have to click this. And yeah, by the way, you can use slight blur for some context and full blur for complete privacy. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.